In today's video, I am going to teach you how to align an object parallel to a line in AutoCAD. We will cover two reliable methods. First is rotate with reference, which is ideal when you want to match an existing angle without guessing. Second is the Align command, which lets you move and rotate in one go by pairing points. I will walk you through both so you can choose what fits your workflow. Let's start with rotate with reference. Type RO to start the rotate command. Then press Enter. Select the object or objects you want to rotate and press Enter again. Now pick a solid base point on the object. This point acts like a hinge and keeps the object anchored as you adjust its angle, so choose something that's easy to snap to, like an endpoint or midpoint. Next, type R and press Enter to activate the reference option. You'll now define the object's current angle. Click 2 points along the object that represent its existing direction or type the known angle if you have it. With that reference defined, align the object to your target line by clicking on the line or snapping to a point on it. AutoCAD rotates the object so its reference angle becomes parallel to the target line, all while keeping that base point fixed. For clean results, zoom in and use object snaps for precision. If a snap isn't grabbing as expected, toggle object snap on and off or adjust which snaps are active, so you are anchoring to the exact geometry you need. Now let's look at the Align command, which moves and rotates simultaneously. Type AL and press Enter. Select your object and press Enter. Choose a source point on the object again, pick something consistent and snappable. Then click the destination point on your target line where you want that source point to land. Next, pick a second source point on the object, followed by a second destination point on the target line. This second pair defines the angle and direction, giving AutoCAD everything it needs to rotate and place the object correctly. Press Enter to finish. And when prompted to scale, choose number. Your object is now both positioned and oriented parallel to the line in a single operation. If you ever make a mistake, a quick undo gets you back on track. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.